Welcome to AntMyERP. If a spare part is requested in a service call, and it's not rejected, deleted or approved, when we try to close that case directly, the system will give an error that the spare part needs to be either deleted, rejected or approved. This video shows how to solve this error. First of all, go to the open service because most of the time, the user does not know that there is a spare part requirement. For example, this case 19076 is opened. In this case, the engineer may have started, reached, and then requested the part. So here this case is going to be attended. Enter the name of the engineer. Now, when the engineer starts, reaches from the mobile app and puts the requirement of the spare part can be seen. Secondly, what happens when the engineer does not use the mobile app but puts the requirement for the spare part through the web browser? So, the first case is through the mobile app or through the web browser. So this ticket has been assigned to an engineer. Now the engineer has put the requirement of the spare part through the web browser or mobile app. Click on the Request Spare Part. Put the requirement of one part and save it. Here, a request of the spare part is generated on the ERP. The requirement of the spare part can be seen. Now, the user has not seen it and directly closes it. He either solves it or closes it. Click on Solve and Save. Here comes the problem. An error is shown here. Check if all the to-do is completed. Until the to-do is completed, this case cannot be solved. Click here. Photo is not compulsory, and add a remark if needed. Click here. Here, the photo is compulsory because there is a red mark. Any checklist can be added here. The detail of it can be captured. Add the things that are compulsory by looking at the red mark. The to-do is completed here. Many times if the to-do is not completed, it still gives an error. The first error was that the checklist was not completed. Now the part request is still here. So the user will go here directly and solve it. Click on Solve and Save. There will be an error that the spare part requirement is still pending, so first of all delete it. The parts request needs to be executed, rejected or deleted to close this ticket. The ticket number is 19,076. There is a tab of Request Spare Parts where whatever spare part is required can be seen. Here, the spare part is registered where the ticket number can also be seen. Go to Spare Part and click on Pending. Here, the Pending tab will appear where the spare part requirements that are still pending and need to be approved or rejected can be seen. Go to this option here, and it is seen that only self-requested tasks are visible. Click here to view all. All the spare part requirements will be visible here. The ticket is 19076, and this is the part that was required. Now either approve or reject it. Only then the case can be solved, closed or cancelled. Here, reject and save it. The spare part request is rejected. It is recorded successfully. Enter the status as solved. It could be done because the spare part was rejected. Now it can be closed. Many times it happens that the to-do is not completed, and because of that an error is shown. An error can also be shown when a spare part is requested and the case is closed before rejecting or approving it. This way, the process can be improved. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.